Good morning, everyone. Well, it was a busy week, and unfortunately, we failed. Failed to ride every day. It got out of hand quick, and I missed a couple days, but it's okay, because I still got outside, still active, and that's what these are really all about anyways. Sometimes life just, yeah, so we're gonna keep doing the thing and just enjoy life. Get out here, whether we're on the bike or not. I'm gonna post a update, being outside, doing something, try and share some kind of positive message. But we'll see how that goes. Hope to see everybody outside tomorrow, and stay fresh.